In the deepest part of you, you already knew. The whispers of doubt were just shadows playing tricks. You weren't confused. You were just holding on to what you were afraid to let go of. Then, a spark. A reminder of the light you've always carried inside. With one step, the darkness wasn't vanquished, but transformed. You knew it from the beginning. The journey was always about coming home to yourself.
In the twilight between day and night, we all carry something with us. A shadow that whispers of doubt, a weight that feels too heavy to bear. But even in the deepest darkness, a single spark can ignite. A light of courage, strength, and inner peace, stepping forward into the dawn of a new day.
Everyone has an inner voice. But the truth is, not every voice is telling the truth. You can't. You're not enough. You'll fail.
One day, he stops and asks himself,
But he is beginning to realize
is this voice really me?
it's not his.
Or just something I got used to believing?
And the more he questions it, the weaker the shadow's control becomes. Try.
Not every thought you have is true.